Do you know you could make $4,000 to $5,000 a month creating content without having to show your face? This faceless YouTube channel makes over $4,000 a month, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create videos for a channel like this using AI. But before we get into the video, please make sure to like, leave a comment and subscribe. I'll be making use of 3 AI tools which I'll be dropping their links in the description below. But first off, head to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a free AI tool you can make use on your web browser, or you can have the app downloaded on your mobile device. In ChatGPT, write out any prompt of your choice, but in this video I'll be making use of this prompt: write me a short note on how to fix hormonal imbalance. And once your write-up is given, you can have it copied. After copying the write-up we generated earlier on ChatGPT, head to this website, 11labs.io. This website allows you to convert any write-up into speech. Now, paste in the write-up we copied earlier from ChatGPT, generate speech, and once your speech is generated, you can have it downloaded. And finally, for the last AI tool, head to this website, studio.did.com. On the home page, you click on create a video and you'll be taken to an interface like this, where you'll be given various avatars to select from, either premium or free. I'll pick this one. You could also change the way you want your avatar to interact with the audience, either natural or lively. After selecting your movement, click on script. On script, upload the audio you had downloaded on 11labs.io like this. Okay. And once the audio is uploaded, head next to background. You'll be given various backgrounds to choose from. Sticking to this one. Once your background is selected, you can click on the generate video button. And at the end of the video, you should be having something like this.
Fixing a hormonal imbalance often requires a holistic approach that includes lifestyle changes, dietary adjustments, and in some cases, medical interventions. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Diet. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can support hormone balance. Limit sugar and refined carbohydrates, which can spike insulin levels and lead to imbalance. 2. Exercise. Regular physical activity, especially strength training and moderate cardio, helps regulate hormones like insulin and cortisol and can improve mood, metabolism, and energy levels. 3. Stress management. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which can disrupt other hormones. Practicing relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can reduce stress and help balance hormones. 4. Sleep. Quality sleep is essential for hormone regulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night, as poor sleep can throw off hormones related to appetite, stress, and energy. 5. Natural supplements. Some supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and magnesium may support hormone health. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting new supplements. 6. Medical treatment. In some cases, medication or hormone replacement therapy, HRT, may be necessary, especially for conditions like thyroid disorders or menopause. Consult a doctor for personalized guidance if symptoms persist. Taking a balanced approach that combines these lifestyle changes can often improve hormonal health and overall well-being.